Olivia, are you on a choo-choo train? What does the train say?
No, Becca, sweetheart.
What? What does the train say? What does the train say, Olivia? Choo-choo. Look at mommy and say choo-choo.
I got a really good view of him.
Yeah. Good girl.
Need a hand or you?
Are you excited? The train's gonna go really fast.
Are you ready for it to go fast?
Olivia, are you ready for the train to go?
Right here.
You ready for the train to say choo-choo? Yeah. You are a sweaty girl, huh? Whoa. Look at all that sweat.
My watch says 3:19. The woman's coming along getting tickets right now.
Hey, you. Hey, you, Olivia. You gonna look at mom?
Train.
You gonna look at mom? All right. Fair enough.
Tickets?